say so, so nola e Samoa amata susule yulia luile atoa.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
So we are at the Lakewood annual Summerfest. So this is not a Polynesian cultural event, but there are Polynesians here. You can always find them at the volleyball net. But there's a lot of people here. It's early. We have to come here early because Silhouette is performing tonight. This will be the first time that this event has fire knife dancers, so they are going to see a lot. Well, a lot of people are going to see something they've never seen before. They have a circus here, they have a carnival, they have live stage performances, and we're sure as much as we can. So see, they have so many things here that I'm not used to what I'm looking at. I'm used to the food places, and I don't know what kind of food they have here though. Right now we're looking for the rest of the team. A lot of people have tents that are selling stuff. I don't think it's any kind of cultural type stuff per se. It just looks like people just selling stuff, but man, there are a lot of people here. We are actually out in the middle of the field where we parked way over there where entertainment can park. But this way apparently is like the main area, so that's why it's getting jam-packed. You guys cutting through to the middle, or what are you doing?
Toa.
Where's Toa?
Right in the front of us.
Doing what? They have the APCC here. Do you see them? I don't know. Or is there an opening right there too? Huh? Where'd the family go? We're lost. It's so crowded here, oh my gosh. I wish our Polynesian festivals had this many people. So are we still trying to figure out where to go to? We're gonna go up there? We're just walking around aimlessly. There is a section by the Asian Pacific community or something. So maybe that's where we're gonna perform. It does say Philippines, Thailand, China, Mexico, India, Russia, Japan, Korea. Oh, no Samoa. You wanna go on that? So, nice bike.
Thank you.
Look at this bike, isn't this awesome? You did all this yourself?
Yeah, I still gotta finish it, but
that's tight, brother.
appreciate it.
Have a good day. It sounds like on this stage there's a group from India performing.
And the reason I say it's going to be amazing, I am not playing any favoritism, but it's from my island. So if you are Samoan in here, let's make some noise and welcome. With this act and this culture, culture, we dance, and then in our culture, we appreciate dancing. So all the Samoan and Islanders in here, I know and I hope you came with some dollars to appreciate our dancers as they're making their way. Ladies and gentlemen, representing Samoa is Boirava. It is an all-female, empowered Pacific Island dance group based out of Tacoma, Washington, whose mission is to spread a positive awareness of the Polynesian community and shine light on traditional and cultural practices through performing arts. With performers as young as 5 years up to 15 years old, the youth of Boirava believe that building bridges among fellow unifying differences. Let me introduce their representing to talk more about their group. Let's show some love, everyone.
Hi everyone, my name is Tiffany Yee. I am a proud mother of 2 of our dancers for Boirava. And this evening I've been asked to MC and just go over our dances for everyone. So how's everyone doing tonight? Alright, so you will be witnessing our lovely young ladies dance for you. And without further ado, I'd like to go ahead and introduce our first song, Off Yonder Low.
Look at the little one.
Sila, taula wanga sila sila lota po maua luma o tihati lenei o sawe fia fia a tu mai lo lima ta fata lofa o tihati e wina e se e mole wila mai e faite usi mai lau sila sila lota po mana ia o tihati lenei o e sawe fia fia
They're going to perform shortly. I'm just seeing all the people that are here. Good mixture of cultures. There's people all the way from Korea that flew here to be a part of this. I think we missed their performance, though. I'm not sure. But here's the
Stay
crowd.
connected to our roots and show
This is the
leadership
largest crowd I
for
think
our
they have
Samoan
appeared
community.
in front of here in Washington State.
Tupula's vision is to educate our students and our community about the Samoan culture through fire knife dancing and training new future champions to compete in the world and international fire knife competition. Fire marshal, come escort you out because he can do that. Okay. Everybody, are you ready? It is a huge ending to this festival on this stage. We wanted to give acknowledgement to those that deserve it. Thank you, Ms. Lua Pritchard, for allowing me to be the MC on this show and on this stage.
One more time, everybody shout aloha! And you said, Alright, everybody, I want to say special thanks to Ghani for putting this thing together and hiring us up to be here. Thank you to my wife for putting all our shows together and organizing everything. Please, I want to do one more safety issue. So all those red go, please do not run while we're doing our fire knife acts. I see a lot of those. So because we won't stop, we're gonna keep on going. Please do not run in there while we're doing our acts. That's to ensure your safety. And hope you guys enjoy the show. Just let you guys know, all these kids who are bringing the finest of today, all these kids who we compete all over the world, and all these kids their places, you know, first, second, and third. So you guys are in for a treat. I hope you guys enjoy the show. Let's run it. Our first contestant today, once announced you, Shane Hammer.
She's our finest female princess dancer. She's also a champion from Legacy last year. Second runner-up all the way from the International World Fire Knife Competition in Samoa. And second runner-up for the World Champion just past May. Please welcome Silhouette Samoa.
precautions before we proceed. Now, this is for your safety. Please, no flash photography, and hold all small children and remain seated. Now, without further ado, please welcome the chief for tonight, Jacko Pupuali'i, also the leader of Tupuleafi Siva Afi School. Jacko will perform the Siva Ainau Afi. Please welcome Chief Jacko.